So you want to know how to do that? Well, listen up, buckaroo, I'm gonna show you. So first off, delete the cube, cause who cares about you? Add a new trier. And a particle system, increase the number to 100,000 and let them emit for 500 frames. Then sync those 500 frames with the whole sequence by doing this. And then spreading it out. After that, just animate the sphere the way you want to by just keyframing it. By pressing N, right click on the coordinates and add a keyframe, and just do that till you're happy with it. And then let those particles live for about 150 frames and randomize their lifetime. Then just add some object velocity and look at what you've done. After that, you just need some turbulence. Just press Ctrl A and add turbulence and increase the strength of it. And see what happens. Oh god, everything goes crazy. Just increase the size and see what happens. Yep, still going crazy, but looks better than before. Then just add some flow to it, decrease the strength, and look at it again. There you go. Looks kinda okay. Let's just increase the object velocity again and see what happens. Yep, seems good. Then it just increase those particles again to about 1 million and bake the whole thing. Then you need a metaball. I know, metaballs, oh my god, you usually don't use metaballs, but now you need them. Just add them, tell the particle system to use objects, and then select the metaballs. And see what you've done. It's a monster, it looks ugly. The only thing you have to do is increase the resolution for it to 0.08. And there you go, it's a high-res monster now. You can just copy-paste that exact number to the renderer too, and then just make the whole metaball bigger. In this case, by ×2. And there you go. Looks good. Now we need a material. First off, let's just add environment texture by pressing Ctrl A, then typing in environment texture and just choosing one from HDR Heaven. And wow, it looks good. Especially with the new AI denoiser in the viewport. My god, it looks good. Okay, time for the action material for that monster thingy. We just need to create a new one, increase the subsurface scattering to 2, and there we go, we're done. And obviously you can change the color to blue too. Do whatever you want. We're done here. Bye.